Hi, welcome once again to Talk Jamaican, where I teach you to speak Jamaican patois. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com and subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, okay? And soon you will be able to chat like me. Now remember, I do a commentary in patois, Jamaican patois, and then I give you an overview in English about what I said. So hold on, we will soon return. Massa, what a way Jamaica young girl can run fast. Blouse and skirt, you ever see anything like this? Then go down Japan for the 2020 Olympics. And me say, they mash down the place and come 1, 2, 3, boom, in the 100 meter. But guess what? For we independence, as the 6th of August every year, we get independence in a 1962, a 59 year the Shelly Island independence, But guess what? Although we are get enough medal, Brianna Williams, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shelly-Ann, Fraser-Pryce, and Sharika Jackson. Them say, Massa, with how everybody their yard and then sad for the independence, because them have to turn their yard because of the dirty virus. May I give them a present, and guess what? They mash up the 4x100 meter relay. Boom, goal everywhere. Me say, everybody at Jamaica glad, you see, because serious thing, the first independence, we don't really have nothing to celebrate because of the whole virus, yeah. So, although we did glad when Ansel Parchment, him win the hurdle, and we win 9 other medal, right? 4 of them are gold. We did happy with that, but that this year one of the lick because it happened by Independence Day, see it. But me not, although me a boss, I'm glad. Me not disrespect people who not get medal, cause, say then little youth there. They work hard, all during the year when we cock up with foot. Some of we in a air condition, them out in the sun hot to run, So even if they don't get no medal, we can't disrespect them, cause they try them best. And they have more discipline than plenty away. So we can fast with them. But when they get a gold medal pan with independence, we have to give them a special big up. See it? We miss Bolt all the same, because when him does a run, he mash down everything. But that's how life goes. The boy, them try them best. So we not disrespect them. In the previous section, I was expressing my gratitude to the Jamaican athletes who went to the Olympics in Tokyo 2021, but it's still called the 2020 Olympics, and brought home 9 medals for Jamaica, of which 4 were gold medals. But I was giving special kudos to the girls, because not only did they win the 100 meter race before, but guess what? On Independence Day, the 6th of August 2021, they won the 4x100 relay. The team was made up of Brianna Williams, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Sharika Jackson. And I have to give them a special thank you, because our Independence Day was the 6th of August. Remember, we got independence in 1962 on the 6th of August. And we were about to feel very dejected on the 6th of August 2021 because we had to stay at home because of this horrible virus. And then what did the young ladies do? They brought home a gold medal for us. We are on top of the world. Thank you, ladies. But at the same time, while I celebrate the gold medals and the 9 medals that we got in Tokyo, including 4 golds, I am not in any way disrespecting those who entered the various competitions and did not win, did not medal. Because it takes a lot of hard work and discipline to be able to compete with the top athletes throughout the world at the Olympics. And I know the young people, they tried their best, and some did not succeed this time, some did not qualify. I mean, it's not like the days when we had a Usain Bolt winning everything. The men did not do particularly well this year, except for Ansel Parchment, who won the men's relay, got a gold medal. But we are still grateful to all our athletes who travel abroad and make Jamaica proud. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. But a special kudos to the 4x100 ladies relay team. Have a wonderful day.